5 AI tools. Just got huge updates. Creators and marketers, don't miss this. AI tools are leveling up, and if you're not paying attention, you're already behind. Whether you're a social media manager or a content creator, these 5 tools just dropped major updates that could seriously change your workflow. Stick around till the end. I've got a bonus tool that's flying under the radar but could give you a creative edge. These aren't just the usual AI tools. I'm talking about the latest April 2025 updates. What's new, how they help you, and why now's the time to upgrade your strategy. ChatGPT. Personalized AI gets smarter. First up, ChatGPT. With its new memory feature, it now remembers your tone, goals, and even your formatting preferences. You can create scripts or captions once, and it'll adapt the next time. Use it for weekly scripts, email templates, or anything you want in your brand voice. Bonus: you can toggle memory on or off, or even start a private session using temporary chat. Canva Design plus AI plus coding. Canva has officially become more than a design tool. With Magic Studio, you can bulk generate designs, auto-resize them for every platform, and now, yes, even build full landing pages using Canva code. Why it matters. No more switching between 5 tools to build your brand visuals. Veed.io. Edit with just a prompt. Veed just got wild. You can now edit videos by simply editing the transcript text, or use their cursor for video feature to create full videos from just a written prompt. Add brand colors automatically using Brand Fetch, and now with Gladia, you get multilingual subtitles too. Perfect for reels, tutorials, product explainers, or repurposing long-form content. ElevenLabs. Hollywood-level voiceovers. Want your voiceovers to sound like a real human? ElevenLabs has upgraded its cloning engine. Create multilingual dubbing, adjust emotions, and even generate narrations straight from text or another voice. And yes, it supports huge files now, up to 1 gigabyte. Perfect for faceless creators, podcast producers, or international brands. Notion. It's not just for notes anymore. Notion has gone full productivity suite. Introducing Notion Mail, an AI-powered inbox with templates, smart filters, and built-in calendar syncing. Add conditional forms, clickable charts, and even integrate with Jira Pro Tip. Manage your content calendar, brand communications, and performance tracking all in one clean dashboard. Here's your bonus. CapCut just added AI avatars, auto text-to-speech, and background removal. It's not just for TikToks anymore. With a massive template library and cross-platform resizing, it's becoming a full creative suite for video. If you're a solo creator, this one's your new secret weapon. Which tool are you most excited to try? Drop it in the comments. I read everyone. And if you want my full AI-powered content workflow using these tools, let me know and I'll make a behind-the-scenes video for it. Like, subscribe, and share this with a fellow creator who needs an upgrade. Brand locally, easy, and affordable.